Now we will switch on both these machines. After some time, you can observe the control panels like this. After few seconds, the machines will get ready.
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ನ
Now, if you see here, there is copy function. We will give a small demo of how to copy or Xerox in this machine. We will give a detailed demo in future episodes. For now, we will give a simple demo of how copying works with this machine. We should place the document inside it like this and operate the control panel. In what way we place the document, in similar way copying, that is printing, will be done. In the tray, we should keep the paper exactly in the same way. That is, in whatever way we have kept the sheet in the tray, in the same way we should place the document on the glass. This we should keep in mind. In case we have to take output from this tray, as you can see the sheet is in landscape mode here, then we will have to place the document also for scan in the same orientation. We will give a detailed demo of all these things in future. For now, you will have to understand that in whatever way we keep the paper inside the tray, in the same way you will have to place the document on the glass or feeder. After closing the paper tray, you will have to wait for few seconds for the printer to detect the papers in tray. So now we will try to copy one page here. We will select one and click start button.
ಒನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ತರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ
the document at the top will get scanned and then we will get output like this.
ಈ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರದ್ದು
This is original and this is Xerox. Now we will scan using ADF. In ADF, we will have to place the document like this with the printed side facing upwards. On the glass, we will have to place the document with the printed side facing downwards.
ಈ ತರ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗೋ ಜಾಗನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ADF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
We will use the same sheet to print. Let's not waste it. We should do it in the same way. Wait for tray to get detected. Wait for the green LED to blink and then press the start button.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆ ತರ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪೇಪರ್ ಟ್ರೇಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಲಿ ನಮಗೆ
we will get output like this. In similar way, we can also scan the document. We can use send option here to scan the document. We can scan and send the document to connected PC instead of photocopy. For that, we will have to make some settings on the control panel. All that we will show in next episodes. In similar way, we will also test the printer by sending print from system. We will try to print some 5 to 10 copies by sending print directly from system. We will see that also now. In that way, we can test the speed of these printers. This printer has a rated speed of 45 pages per minute. That is, it can print 45 pages in a minute. As you can see here, the model number is 3245. 45 means the speed of this printer.
45 pages per minute ಇದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Similarly, in this machine, which is C258, here the first two digits indicate the speed of this printer, which is 25 pages per minute. Though this is a color printer, its speed is less compared to the other printer, that is almost half speed. But the advantage with this printer is that it can give you color prints. Now we will see how ADF works with this machine. We will scan the document with this machine. Even in scan mode, ADF will get activated and this machine can scan automatically on both sides of the document. In this way, we can scan the document and send to system. In this machine, the control panel is wider and there are more options here. This is how you can use these printers basically. ADF, scan glass, control panel, paper trays. This is how you use those. This is how a multifunction printer works.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ
Now we will give some bulk printing test with these printers from system. Let's see how they work. This is our own company pamphlet. We will try to print it and check it. We will select the black and white MFP, that is Canon, and see how it prints. First let's print it on one side and see. We will give some 5 copies. Let's see how it prints.
ಒಂದು 5 ಪೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು 5 ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ತರ
So we have given print from system and this is how it prints. 5 copies are coming out and this is how it prints with this speed. In future we will show the demo of how it prints when we give real bulk printing like 100 pages or 500 pages. Okay, you can check the quality also. We have used compatible ink, that is we have done refilling, but still you can check the clarity and quality. It is so good.
ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 5 ಪೇಜ್ ಡೂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಡೂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Now we will try some duplex printing also. Let's give some 5 copies of duplex printing, that is printing on both sides, front and back. This is how it prints. It's bit slow now as it has to print on both sides.
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
5 copies have come out.
5 ಕಾಪಿ
Automatic duplex. It got printed on both sides. This is the demo of this printer for now.
ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ 2 ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರದ್ದು ಇದೆ ಇಷ್ಟು.
In coming episodes, we will see how to photocopy different things like ID cards, Aadhaar cards, etc. by changing the settings on the control panel. We will see all those shortcut settings, how to do those settings, that we will see in coming episodes. In this episode, we have given just basic demo, just to get an idea or feel of these printers. Why you should buy these printers and what are the advantages of buying it. This much you will perhaps understand from this episode. This is a kind of introduction video. Next, in coming episodes, we will see these machines in detail, how to make the settings, how to print on different media, different size papers, different thickness sheets, etc. Refilling, troubleshooting, basic servicing, all these things we will keep showing in future episodes.
ಬರುವಂತ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸೋಣ.
Now we will give some print samples to this machine also. We will print the same pamphlets again. We will print it in color printer, that is Konica C258. We will select the printer like this. Let's print it in color on both sides. Also, we can go to print properties like this and indicate on which tray it should be printed. As you can see here, you can select tray 1, tray 2 or bypass tray in this way. All this will be shown here. Even with that black and white machine, there were same settings, but I am showing it here with this printer. In both machines, these settings will be present in properties and we can select different trays to print. Now I will select bypass tray with this printer and see how it prints. For black and white printing with that other machine, I used tray 1 for printing. Here we will use bypass tray and see how it prints. We can also see here that we can change the paper size like A4, A3, etc. And also we can change orientation. Paper thickness also can be changed like this: thick 1, thick 2, 3, 4. Likewise, if we place 250 GSM paper, we will have to select thick 4 here. For regular 75 GSM A4 sheets, we can set it as just plain paper like this. We can also select color or grayscale, whatever kind of printout we want. So here I have selected bypass tray, color printing and both side printing settings. We will give like 5 copies with this printer also. Well, now you can observe here an indication that print has come from the system. These lights indicate that print command has come. You can see how the paper is getting picked from the bypass tray and you can see how the print comes out. And also here you can see how duplex printing is happening, how the paper is getting rotated and printed on the other side. This is how it happens. And here you can see in the output tray how the paper is getting printed. This is how it prints and comes out. So it takes this much time to print 5 copies of duplex color printing. But you can see the quality of printing,
ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್
how fine it is. This is original digital printing quality for professional applications. Automatically it got printed on both sides. Also, this is original ink, that is we have used Konica Minolta company ink without compromising on the quality. We will also see in future how we can take different kind of printouts from this machine on different size papers and different thickness boards.
ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಈ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
As there are 2 pamphlets in this sheet, we will divide it by cutting using our cutting machine.
ನಮಗೆ A5 ಸೈಜ್ ಬೇಕು.
We want A5 size now, that is half of A4.
ಈ ತರ
So we can set it like this.
ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು
And place the sheets like this.
ಹೀಗೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು
Tighten this knob and then we can cut it like this. In future we will see how to use this cutting machine also, how we can cut visiting cards using this machine, and how we can cut bulk quantity of sheets we will show in future.
ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆಮೋ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡೆಮೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ರೋಟರಿ ಕಟ್ಟರು.
And this is rotary cutter. If there are just few sheets to cut, then we can use this machine for cutting papers. I will place some 5 sheets in this and see how it cuts. These are 75 GSM A4 sheets. I will place it like this, and by making rough estimations we can divide this exactly into 2 parts in this way by cutting it like this. Okay.